Derpity derp 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 derp.
Day 2 of the Dumaguete trip, everyone. We're getting ready for today's trip together with my triplets. So let's go! And now guys, we're going to the Valencia city. We're gonna go on the mango ranch. Still have time to go take a pictures and tour around there, so let's go. So we started our ride from Manila, Dumaguete City, where we were staying, and headed all the way to Palinpinon, Valencia, Negros Oriental. The ride only took about 16 to 20 minutes, so it wasn't too far unless you're the one sitting at the back and your butt starting complaining. Everything was going perfectly, the road was nice, the view was beautiful, and we were feeling like the main characters of our own travel movie. But the moment we reached Valencia, boom! The rain decided to join our adventure. You know what? When you're in the mood to travel, a little rain can't stop you. We didn't come all this way just to let a few raindrops ruin the fun. Besides, getting soaked is basically a free shower, right? So we kept going, laughed through the rain, and enjoyed every minute of it. Because the best adventures aren't always sunny. They're the ones where things don't go according to plan. And honestly, those are the stories you'll laugh about the most later. Oh, we arrived! Finally, but it's raining. Yeah, we'll see. And what things we can do here instead of the mango ranch, except the eating, because I know it's kind of pricey, but we're just gonna walk around and have some fun. Let's go. Here we are right now in Mango Ranch Resort and Events located in Valencia, Negros Oriental. So as you can see, like, we're totally here. Actually, there's a lot of like activities that you wanna spend here, especially like go-karts and like the sliding one, and I guess they have the water park here. We'll see, because last time I went here with my late partner, they're still under construction. They're still working on the, you know, the stuff of the activities, but now they're already open, and we can't do the activities for now because we are not really on the budgeting of the activities. We're just here to spend some time walking around in this beautiful area here in the Mango Ranch. And also they have the steakhouse here. If you like steak, you know, you can visit here on the Mango Ranch. They said that their steak here is very delicious, tender, juicy, hot, something like that. So yeah, I really like the place here. It's so calm. Like, it's really nature and also very quiet, unlike me. And also there's you can tell that it's a mango ranch because there's a lot of mango trees around here, and now it's already bearing fruit. Indian mango niyuti, no? The sour mangoes. So yeah, they call it Mango Ranch. And also like part here near on the entrance, there's horses. I love that. My spiritual animal. I'm like a horse. My friends are now taking pictures. Yeah, maybe we'll go and explore more inside of the Mango Ranch. Let's go. And now we're here on the part of the windmill of the Mango Ranch. And there is the George Steakhouse. And now we're just walking around. Yeah, I can see that there's a water park right there. And I thought that there's a fresh mango for sale today, because I was planning to buy fresh mango for my family. They really like mango very much. So yeah, I guess there's until supplies last. I guess their supplies didn't last long. So yeah, it's actually 60 pesos, so it's really low. Like I can buy fresh mango there in our town like 80 pesos. 60 pesos I can save for 20 pesos of that. And also like look up there. I can see there's a mushroom. And then they're building something. I guess they're gonna build something like a hotel or a resort or something. Yeah, I wanna go. I guess they're taking a picture for now. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, as far as I witness here, like there's a water park. And maybe we can ask like how much is the entrance fee here. Outdoors not allowed. Outdoor adventures. Okay, I see. So yeah, maybe we can ask like how much is the entrance fee of the water park. And then there's also like maybe a KTV or a, yeah, it's a not KTV but ATV. And also like you can do like climbing stuff over there. Like yeah, we'll see if we can ask somewhere or someone. And wow, like you can see like how wide this place is. And also I can see like they're planning to build something there. I guess they're gonna make a zip line. And also you can just sit here. Oh, a bench. Please do not move the chairs. Of course, it's already a nice spot to sit just to see the view here. Or you can just read a book and then just, you know, chillax here. I really like the place. Maybe I'll visit here soon to chillax, but not for now. Say hi, Kuya. There's a different name of their activities here. So actually the water park here is like Wild West. Oh, Wild West. Whoa. Whoa, that's so cool. Wow. And so I really don't know where my friends are right now, but I let them do their thing. I love taking pictures, but I more like doing sharing and filming, something like that, since there's still no people around here yet. And yeah, actually, oh, it's an air park, so don't tell me that there's like a jet plane or something we're gonna, you know, cruise around here. Wow, that's so cool. Wow, I love that. Yeah, maybe that's why they put a... Oh, hello. Hey, I'm doing good. I don't know what he's talking, but I guess I'm having my social anxiety again. But that's good. I don't know who is he. So anyways, that's why they put bench over there so that they can watch the jet planes around here. Wow, that's so cool. And wow, yeah, that is my word of the day. Wow. And also, I really love their toilet. They even have porta potties. Why they didn't put any porta potties on the public places? Oh my god. Yeah, I can tell that there's a lot of swimming pools there. There's a lot of activities around here. There's also like ATV there, and they said that there's something like a cart. I don't know where's the go-kart is, and now they're coming on my way. I just don't know if where are we going, because I don't feel like we're heading to somewhere, and we'll see. Let's go. So mo to guys, kani man unta akong ipaon.
Manong siya man.
Nganong ako man.
Di maatras sila marina ya.
So anyways, we're here at we're near right now at the splash tower where we can see like a long slide. Long slides. Wow, that's so cool. We can't see inside of it, but we can like sneak and peek here. Like, you can see it there. I really love that, but I don't know if that's my thing or not. So by the way, we're about to go, and then I can see like there's the list here. What is your activities that you want to do here inside of the Mango Ranch? So they have like the go-kart, ATV tours, paramotor tours, water park reception, and Mango Conservatory. What is Mango Conservatory? So anyways, those are the activities that you're gonna spend here inside of the Mango Ranch. Before, it was just like the steakhouse, the barn. You just have to, you know, like take some pictures, and then if you have to like throw an event like birthday parties or wedding anniversaries or weddings, something like that, you can do it here in the Mango Ranch. And now like they're getting big. Like as you can see, it's not like this before, and it's getting huge, and they also have lots of activities. So we're gonna see if what are other activities they're gonna build soon. This is Angel, by the way, and this is the second day of our Dumaguete tour. Actually, we're just gonna add Valencia because now we're here in Valencia. So I'll see you around on the other vlog or the other episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to know me more, subscribe for more. Sulat pa lang sa.
Lipat mo, kuya, te. Ano?